Applied econometrics. How econometric models create robust evidence in research. With Professor A.K. Enamelhawk.
Why we need econometrics? Because econometric models. What is the econometric model? Let's go back to the econometric model a little bit. Econometric models, if you think about it, it has y as a function of alpha plus beta 2 x2, for example, plus beta 3 x3 plus epsilon. And when you say I differentiate y with respect to x2, and let's assume for a moment, let me make it easier. So let's say this is my z variable. What is my z variable? This is the variable I'm interested in. So I want to know what is the impact of z, which is the new policy, on y, which may be income, which may be poverty. So if I differentiate this, I find out it is called beta 3. And how is the partial differentiation works? Partial differentiation works means x2 and all other variable xk remain fixed. So these are fixed. So which means I can now isolate the impact of z on y because I'm keeping the rest of the variable constant. So econometric models have been able to separate them if you do the proper, remember all the other issues of econometrics will come. So you create econometric model to separate them and isolate the impact of a public policy because this is the impact of the public policy. And then we say testing. What does we test? We said, okay, is this significantly, remember the null hypothesis, whether this 3 is 0 or not. What is 0 means? It has no impact on y. So remember this, that's what we're looking for. So we do a test of hypothesis and said, okay, we are now statistically significant, 95% confidence that if I use that policy and if it is rejected, that means I'm 95% confident it will have an impact on y. It may be positive, it may be negative, depends on what is my target. Which means this policy will work, statistically significant, and that is my robust evidence. So creating robust evidence requires a lot of modeling technique, and that's what we are going to learn.
Please subscribe to receive updates on new videos.